back to another video. Just finished work, was on the early today, started really early. Just got in, had a freshen up, got into some nice just comfy clothing. And I noticed that I had a parcel arrive today, so why not make a quick install video. So in today's video, we're going to be installing the Autobeam rear light unit, as you can see. Basically, my brake light went out, so I thought I'd just buy a whole unit from Autobeam, upgrade it. It was about like 25 quid, something like that, not much at all. So I'm going to basically show you how to install it if you don't know. This is the same for like how to take out your rear lights on the ST. Just for people that don't know, it's just a nice little video for me to demonstrate how to do it. And also I wanted to put out a video, see, as you know, with everything that's going on at the moment, it's very difficult to make content. So as soon as I get new parts, which I have got a few on order, I may have just ordered them and wait for them to turn up. So couldn't resist while I was on a day off board. I thought, oh, why not spend some money? So I did. So yeah, we've got a lot more install videos coming up. So without further ado, let's jump over and install these. So all you're simply going to need is a crosshead screwdriver and a T20 Torx bit. So the first thing we're going to do is, if you look to the side, got a screw just here. Literally simply unscrew that, and then you can pull the carpet down, because you're going to have to undo a little sort of bolt at the back. So what you can do here is just pull this up a little bit, get your hand sort of behind the carpet and pull it down, and then if you put your hand up and under, about here you will feel there's like a little plastic cog that you've got to try and turn and undo. Literally just simply keep twisting it. It's on quite a big thread, so it could take a little while. Out comes this. So as you can see, it goes in like that on a thread. You just twist it to get it out. The next thing, you've got two Torx bit, one there, one down here. So what you want to do is obviously remove them. So the next step I'm going to show you, you've got a grommet that's about here and one around here. You simply want to get behind the light itself and just give it a pull, and you'll see it pops out just like so. So as you can see, you've got a connector there, and that's obviously what that bolt's connected to. Simply just disconnect it and then your light's out. So I'm kind of using my parcel shelf as a like a bench right now. So what you want to do next is work out what one you want to get. So I think that's the reverse sight indicator, or the other way around, or whatever. And this is the unit that we're going to be replacing. Simply just pull it out and place with the new one. So now you've replaced that bulb, simply reverse what you just did, plug it all back in and make sure it all works. And simple as that, it's all done. Seriously need a haircut. Oh, it's horrible. Roll on when lockdown's over so I can go. First thing I'm going to do is get straight to that barber's. But anyway guys, really simple mod. 3 screws, literally in and out. Really easy. Another great product by Autobeam. I didn't do it before and after shot, just the pure fact it's pure sunshine outside, you're not going to see it really. You probably would have seen the Autobeam, but I'll try and maybe get one at night if I get a chance to, but obviously with being in lockdown it's really hard. So I'm just really only working on my driveway, so I might not be able to do that. But anyway guys, we've got more things to be coming to the car as well, which I'm really excited about. I've got lots of parts just down there, which are going to be installed on a later video, which I am, like I say, super excited about doing. So before I go, I want to just say I hope you're all well, and again a massive thank you to all the key workers out there and everyone who is staying at home and abiding from the rules. the rules. I want to say a massive thank you to all you as well, but the percentage that are not, just stay at home. Just stay at home. I wish I could stay at home 24/7 because like for it to just be over with, but I can't. But anyway, less of the negativity and more with the positivity. So we're going to talk about what I want to do. So this is your chance to leave down in the comments below a question that you would like to ask me, and you can either message me on Instagram at blue_st180 or leave it down in the comments below, and I'll be making a Q&A video for hopefully either the next one or the one after, depends how many questions I get. So like I say, leave a comment down below, smash that like button and hit the subscribe button and share me about. I'll see you guys in my next video.